how do you balance the need for innovation and risk taking with maintaining strict compliance and regulatory standards?
Yes, and my company is based in Germany, in Dusseldorf. And as a German publicly traded corporation, there's a number of topics that we take very seriously. For example, we take security seriously, data protection, and making sure that we're dealing with all of the compliance requirements for the various countries we operate in. So some of these changes that we see in regulations, across the globe, have to be translated down to the product. So if we're developing, let's say, a solution for a client, and there's a new pharma regulation, that knowledge has to be translated and programmed in. So on one end, we try to be as secure as we possibly can, but we don't want to, on the other end, lose sight of what the customer wants and values. But we try to integrate security by design in all of our development processes.